The human desire to defy aging is as old as time itself. For millennia, we've told stories of magical fountains and elixirs of life, a timeless quest to turn back the clock. Today, that ancient quest has left the realm of myth and entered the laboratory. A new generation is armed with data, technology, and a radical belief that aging is not inevitable, but a problem that can be solved. To understand their ambition, we have to remember the fundamental problem, a tiny flaw hardwired into our cells. For years, this seemed like an unbreakable rule of biology. But what if nature had already created a key? This is the promise of telomerase activators. Many of these compounds are derived from a plant used in traditional medicine for centuries, a staple of Eastern apothecaries, valued for its life-enhancing properties. Hidden inside this ancient root is a unique molecule. Modern science isolates this single compound, transforming ancient wisdom into a modern formula. The theory is compelling, a natural key to unlock our own cellular fountain of youth, to awaken the sleeping giant inside our cells, and begin the process of turning back time. Once inside the body, the activator molecule begins its search, passing through the cell membrane on a mission to find its target. It navigates the complex world within the nucleus, homing in on the specific gene that builds telomerase. In a healthy, aging cell, it works exactly as planned. The gene is unlocked, the cellular machinery awakens, and the enzyme is rebuilt, ready to restore the chromosome's protective cap. This is the dream, cellular rejuvenation, delivered by science. But the human body is not a perfect system. Hiding in plain sight among trillions of healthy cells are zombie cells, damaged but not dead. These are cells with cancer-causing mutations, forced into retirement by their own aging process. They are ticking time bombs, disarmed only by the Hayflick limit. The problem is, the activator molecule is not a surgeon. It's a blind key. It cannot tell the difference. It blindly unlocks the gene and gives the monster the one thing it needed to escape its cage: immortality. This is the terrifying gamble at the heart of the anti-aging frontier. The potential is staggering. A future where the cellular clock can be reset. No more chronic diseases of aging. No more physical decline. Advocates for telomerase activation believe we're on the cusp of a medical revolution. They argue that, with advanced screening, we can identify and avoid the risk. Turning off telomerase in healthy cells was a blunt evolutionary tool. Now with our understanding, we can be more precise. But the scientific community remains deeply divided. Opponents warn that we are playing with biological fire, a fundamental safety mechanism woven into our very code. Giving potential cancer cells the key to immortality is a risk far too great to take. The choice will define our future. Do we dare to tamper with the fundamental code of life and death? Or do we accept the limits of our biology? The secret at the end of our DNA has been revealed, but the final chapter of humanity's story is ours to write.